Did you know AI tools can now talk to each other automatically? This is already happening, and that's exactly what MCP is changing. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It was created by Anthropic, the team behind Claude AIs. MCP helps AI models connect with tools, apps, memory, and external systems more efficiently. Think of it as a universal standard, like a USB port for AI, that lets different systems plug in and work together seamlessly. Without MCP, every AI tool works in complete isolation. Your AI assistant has no idea what is in your emails, your documents, or your calendar. With MCP, different AI systems can automatically communicate and share context, working together like one connected, intelligent team. Here's a real-world example. Imagine asking your AI assistant to read your emails, search your documents, analyze the data inside, and reply automatically, all in one single request. Without MCP, that requires 4 separate tools and 4 separate setups. MCP connects all of them together instantly with a single command. MCP is set to become the backbone of future AI agents and automation systems. Anthropic released MCP as an open standard, meaning any developer in the world can build on it. It is already being adopted by major AI platforms, coding tools, and enterprise software worldwide. This is happening right now in 2025. AI developers and companies are actively exploring MCP because it makes AI systems smarter, more connected, and far more useful. Whether you are a developer, a product manager, or just an AI enthusiast, understanding MCP today puts you seriously ahead of the curve in AI engineering. Follow me on LinkedIn for daily AI content, the latest tools, and career insights. Please like, share, and subscribe for more AI videos like this. And tell me, would you use connected AI systems in your work? Drop your answer in the comments right now.